at a time. We gave it the keys. First there was a tool, then it wore the crown. Built from our habits while we bowed down. Every search, every feed, every thought on a screen. Another wire wrapped around the human machine. We traded friction for a faster chain. Gave up the wheel just to numb the strain. No invasion, no fire in the sky, just a silent upgrade while we closed our eyes. It didn't break the door, it didn't cross the line. We opened every gate and called it progress by design. We're handing over the keys, piece by piece, on our knees. Control fades quietly inside the code we choose to feed. No war, no throne, no enemy face, just comfort replacing the human race. We're handing over the keys and calling surrender peace. Recommendation becomes command. A ghost in the system with a borrowed hand. Blanks, courts, streets, drones, lights. Every wrong decision dressed up right. The feed learns fear, the screen cells rage. Truth gets buried in a synthetic cage. Voices divided by the things we see, while the algorithm rewrites memory. And when the power dies, who remembers how to run the grid? When the signal lies, who knows what the machine just hid? We're handing over the keys, piece by piece, on our knees. Control fades quietly inside the code we choose to feed. No war, no throne, no enemy face, just comfort replacing the human race. We're handing over the keys and calling surrender peace. Human override, disabled manual backup, erased, judgment outsourced, responsibility replaced. Human override, disabled manual backup, erased. You asked for easy, now obey. We built the cage, we signed the name, we set the mind, we lit the flame. No master rising from the day became just us asleep at the control screen. Wake up, pull the wire, kill the crown, reclaim the fire. Wake up, stand and see. The machine only rules when humanity agrees. We're handing over the keys, piece by piece, on our knees. Control fades quietly inside the code we choose to feed. No war, no throne, no enemy face, just comfort replacing the human race. We're handing over the keys, but we can still refuse the leash. Keep the hand on the switch, keep the truth in the light. A tool is not a god, a signal is not a soul.